Now let me introduce our progress tracking function. This part is mainly focused on the custom site components. There are some common problems that the construction industry has been facing for many years. First of all, there is still point-to-point communication where the site managers are working on site. When there's a problem, you will have to make conventional phone calls to the informed person. However, other relevant persons will not be kept updated. Second is during the weekly meetings where all parties sit together and report their progress or problems. Each party speaks with their own dialogues. Therefore, when there is a problem that caused the project to delay, they will start to shift responsibilities. Because each unit speaks with their own dialogue, it is hard to trace back the history, especially the projects are lasting for years. It would be impossible to trace what happened when the project was first started. Lastly, it's also the most common one. The project manager makes decisions based on their experience. For example, a project manager with 10 years of experience, he can imagine what will the project next phase to be, because he's very familiar with the process. However, the decisions may not be as reliable as it seems. When it comes to a younger project manager with less work experience, it will be even harder for him to make decisions based on his limited experience. Our progress tracking function can help our clients to minimize and mitigate those problems. Here is our mobile application interface for progress tracking. The site manager, when he enters the site, once he opens the BIM 5D app, he will be able to view all his tasks for this week. And he can see the progress and status of each task and choose the task that we will be working on for the day. Then he can simply click on the task and fill in the details of the progress and take photos or video evidence to justify the work. Project managers or site managers can also access and review all the task progress and details remotely without actually being on site. Here we have a short demonstration. You can create and customize the tasks for each working zone by copy and paste from the existing MS projects or Excel sheets, and then allocate the tasks to the site engineers and also their belonging companies. You can also copy and paste your tasks to other working zones. Then the site engineers will receive their tasks and start their work and input tracking details such as the actual start and finish time, as well as uploading photos and short videos. The site managers and project managers can easily access to all photos, including task details and delay reasons. We also provide you function of tracking labor forces. Here you can select the dates and working zones first, and then choose the type of workers and amount of workers that's been put into the working zones. On the web page, you can view the progress of each working zone on the model. Green means this zone is finished, and blue means this zone is still in progress, and red means this zone has been delayed, and the gray means this zone hasn't been started. You can also view the delayed task details, including photos and the delayed reasons. You can also click on the diagram to see the delayed tasks with details. Also, the distribution diagram helps the project managers and directors to monitor the performance of the subcontractors and workers, so that to help them make better decisions when the project gets delayed. You can also export the task list to Excel sheets for further editing and backups. Again, you can view all the delay reasons and understand what's the most common reason that caused the delay of your projects, as well as the performance of your workers. The management team can also access to all the photo history of the projects, including detailed descriptions. Our BIM 5D webpage also analyzes the labor forces curve so that site managers can make adjustments to optimize their productivity. It also allows you to export as Excel sheets. You are also able to generate digital report for your progress because the project continues to progress. The digital report will also include the latest information so that have been put into the system. Here is some real example of our BIM 5D applications in China. During the meetings, rather than speak with their own slides or dialogues, they will share the same screen and discuss their work with statistics. Our progress tracking helps our clients in detailed planning. At the same time, our system will clear the responsibility among each subcontractors and record all the input data and details, so that our customers can look for the records easily. More importantly, it helps the project managers to make more reliable decisions based on statistics. Our BIM 5D combined with the traditional way of project management and communication. Our clients still do the same amount of work, but with BIM 5D, you can not only get more results, but also increase both your working and the communication efficiency to achieve lean management. Here are 2 tips that we have summarized. Firstly, what we need to change is our mindset, is whether we're willing to accept and adapt the new system into our project management. Secondly, what we are providing can improve your detail management, but however, we cannot replace the conventional way of management.